was a dark and rainy day, the kind of weather that sometimes encourages my very independent cats to seek each other out for warmth. Josie loves Hobbs, and he is the only cat she will snuggle with, so I had to get their photo when I saw them together. I still need to get a photo of Coco and Tubby with their portraits before they leave, so I'll be photographing Coco today. I've got one flash set up with the umbrella and the other off to the side to eliminate any shadows on the wall. Coco isn't too thrilled about being held, but I think we got a cute photo together with her portrait. Good morning and welcome to feeding 8 cats. It definitely takes some coordination. Coco prefers her food brought to her. Bianca waits until the others are done. It's Valentine's Day, and I'm going to take some kind of love-themed photo. I have this adorable book about cats called How to Land on Your Feet. There is a page that says, "Never trust a man who doesn't like cats." This is very important information when looking for a date. I'll link the book in the description if you're interested in a copy. I want the light to be even and bright, so I'm going to use a flash bounced off the ceiling to fill in the shadows. Right now I'm doing some tests to check my composition. Now that I've got things mostly set up, it's time to make the tea. I'm using my camera on a timer and getting up to check the photo after each picture. Using my phone as the remote would have been a lot easier, and I don't know why I didn't do that. had this idea to photograph a tea-soaked cookie being lifted out of a cup of tea and capturing the stream of tea falling off the cookie. It definitely took some puzzle solving. I'm going to set up both my flashes and my umbrella. The first task is getting my composition locked in. I'm going to need a black background to get the look I want, and I don't have any large pieces of black fabric, so I'm using 2 black shirts draped over some dining room chairs. Now I'm taking test photos to dial in my flash power. Here's my setup. My rim light flash has a snoot on it, so the cone of light is more concentrated. Because I have everything set up now, I am going to take the tea to the cup instead of moving the cup. Can you tell I'm nervous? It's Tubby's turn today. He really doesn't care to be held. He's far too busy doing other things to have any bonding time with me, so I'm going to make his photo session move as quickly as I can. I didn't like any of these photos though, so that night we tried this again with the same flash setup I used for Coco, and I got a cute photo of him with his portrait. Mom is back, and we went out for lunch at a restaurant. Then back to my house for a cup of tea. She collected her cats, and we said goodbye. Afterward, I was really wanting another soothing mug, and made a photo opportunity of it as well. My bananas have reached that stage of being too overripe to eat fresh, so it's time for more banana bread. I love the act of baking and how nice the house smells when things are in the oven. It's time for this banana loaf's photo shoot. Arranging a towel so that it looks casually tossed on the table but still pleasing to the composition always takes me a while. Of course, I want some movement in the photo, so I'll be pouring tea into the cup. As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you'll come again.